Jim Kunkel here, and I'm going to provide you some creative ways to get more connections on LinkedIn and build out your professional network. LinkedIn is the world's largest professional business directory. Let's put it another way. LinkedIn is the world's largest social network for working professionals. That means if you're in sales, accounting, or another profession, you need to be on LinkedIn. More than that, you need to be actively on LinkedIn, and like any other network online or face-to-face, it only works if you work it. That means contributing to conversations, making connections, building relations, and posting content. To justify your presence on LinkedIn, let's take a look at some of the LinkedIn statistics. There are close to 500 million users with 2 people joining every second. Of those, around 100 million are active, and 40% of the active users are there daily, and they average about 17 minutes of monthly usage. 80% have free accounts, and 700% of users are from outside of the United States. The average CEO has 930 connections, and 41% of millionaires use LinkedIn. Many experts say that the minimum number of quality LinkedIn connections that you need to have is 500. Now, some of the benefits of reaching 500 plus quality connections on LinkedIn are credibility. Now, perception is reality. If a potential client or professional is looking to have a high-level person to build a relationship, you've got instant authority through your number of connections. It also shows that you're active on LinkedIn, which means that you're serious about investing into relationships. Audience. If you're sharing updates and posting content, you naturally want a bigger audience to see them. With 500 plus connections on LinkedIn, you have a greater chance of click-throughs to bring your blog or website or whatever message you're looking to your potential audience. It's also likely that you will appear more often in search results and be higher in the search rankings if you are more connected. And the last benefit is opportunity. With 500 plus connections on LinkedIn, you have a much better chance of being thought of when someone wants a service, a product, or a skill set. This prospecting is guaranteed to generate warm leads and potential introductions for you. Put simply, more connections gives you access to more of the right people. So now let's talk about creative ways to get more connections on LinkedIn. Once you've gone through your email databases, your work databases, you should have a pretty good list of contacts to reach out to build those quality first-level connections. The more connections you have, the more people you get added into your network, and on a daily basis through second and third level connections. Now, building your connection network should become part of your daily routine, and here are some strategies for how to get more first-level connections on LinkedIn. Networking. When you come home from an industry networking event or trade conference with a stack of business cards, don't take those business cards and throw them into your desk drawer. These are people you can add to your database on LinkedIn. The morning after the event, take those cards, look up each person on LinkedIn and see who's yet not a first-level connection with you. Qualify the contact and then send them out an invitation to connect with you. Now, if LinkedIn prompts you to add their email address, you have it on the business card. By doing it the very next morning, you'll be on the top of that person's mind, and he or she won't have forgotten you. In terms of personalization, understand that LinkedIn will give you a standard message that you can send that says, "I'd like to add you to my network." Now, whenever possible, you should strive to personalize your connection messages. It will make the people receiving it feel much more appreciated. Each one will know that he or she is just not another number in your database, but a living, breathing human being, different from others on the planet. So go ahead and remind those people how you met and what impressed you about them and why you want to be connected with them. On the web. If you have a personal blog or website, you have a great place to put a hyperlink to your LinkedIn profile. Use your public profile hyperlink, which you can insert by going to Profile, View Profile, and copying the link at the bottom of your main information box. When people click on the link, they go to your profile, and they could read all about you and learn about you. Since every profile has a button that says Connect, you can get more people connecting with you. So make sure to have links to your profile on all your online sites, including other social media sites like Facebook and Twitter, with a call to action near the LinkedIn address stating, "Connect with me on LinkedIn." The same goes with email. You can put that with your email signature and have people click on the link and join you through your email on your business cards. Make it easy for people to find and connect with you on LinkedIn. Include your public profile LinkedIn address on your business cards so that people you meet with and those that you come in contact with at networking events will be able to easily invite you to connect. One last thought during your LinkedIn networking. Another way to meet people to connect with you on LinkedIn is something that will happen naturally. As you network with other professionals in LinkedIn groups, you're constantly meeting like-minded people. It's a natural occurrence that you will strike up online conversations with those people and agree to become first-level connections. The more active you are on LinkedIn, the more this will happen, adding to the size of your personal database. You want to make sure that you are posting, that you're liking, that you're sharing, and that you're providing content. This will help you establish a much larger connection network of quality professional contacts. I hope that you found this video to be very helpful and informative. Each week, I'll be providing more topics and tips to help you build out your professional brand and also when it comes to your professional development. Thank you for watching and have a great day.